Hello my darlings and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing yet another in my Primary and Beyond series. I'm going to be focusing on my favourite colour, which is purple. Whenever we're out, whenever we're makeup shopping, whenever we're doing anything, as long as it's got purple in it, I'll buy it. I've bought a lot of stuff in the past that is just purple, and one of the things that I've bought that's purple is this MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Atomized, which I cannot wait to use. I'm so excited to use this because I love the Retro Matte Liquid formula anyway, and the fact that it's a shiny, sparkly purple. Ooh, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. I've got my face chart down here. I've got my beautiful shadows here waiting. These are going to be gorgeous to use. I've got my iMagic 12 colour flash palette, which I can delve into and make some purple shades out of. Everything's here. You're all here. I'm here. Well, thereabouts. If you're looking at me and thinking, God, he looks a bit rough, I have just filmed the orange one of this series, so excuse the orange glitter that seems to have gone everywhere on my face, and the lipstick which you can see on my lips, which makes them look really weird actually. You'll see my thoughts on that lipstick in the orange video if you haven't already seen it, or if I've not uploaded it yet. Stay tuned or watch it in the cards above. It's gonna be great. Gonna be great. So now that we're ready, we've got the intro out the way. Don't forget to subscribe, become part of the house. Leave a comment down below and like this video. Share it with your friends as well. Why not while you're there? Make sure it circulates. We'll get some good old traffic on those videos. We'll have a bit of traffic on the videos. Not on the roads, but on the videos. I am rambling. I've gone mad. Join me in this madness. I'm going to cover the brows, take my top off, put the wig cap on, the usual shebang. I've shaved, I've cleansed, I've primed. See you when I'm done. Should I leave the brows like this? They're purple anyway, so why not? No, I'm joking. I'm going to go back to covering them. See you in a bit. Right, now that I'm looking like a freshly hard-boiled, beautiful, glossy egg, as per usual, I am going to set this with a little Beryllium 974, some of the MUA loose setting powder. Just pop that right on top of the foundation. I know it sounds very weird, but we're going to be doing a brow today that is done with just eyeshadow, because the rest of the face is going to be very involved. So I'm going to be taking the Sugarpill Cosmetics 2AM shade up here on the Beryllium 762 brush, and popping in some good old arched brows. I might be right back. So they're not the best brows that I've ever drawn, but we can go in and fix them up later on, it's fine. I'll grab the NYX 16 brush and I'm going to go in to 2AM up here by Sugarpill, coat the brush, and I'm just going to cut in a crease up here. Of course, before doing this, I have already applied my MAC Painterly Paint Pot so that the beautiful shadows have something to cling on to. Okay, now that I have laid that all in the crease and blended it out, which is lovely, I'm going to be taking this colour up here by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. I'm going to be taking it on my MAC 239S brush. The colour itself is called Amethyst. and it's a lovely shiny purple. I'm going to pop this on the outer edge of the eye, and then I'm going to be mixing it with Tako down here by Sugarpill. Right, now that I've blended that out and that looks lovely, I'm going to go in here, take a little bit of Poison Plum on the Bdellium at 758 and just sweep it on the lower lash line. That's lovely. I like that. I'm just going to reaffirm the foundation under my eyes, the Kryolan 1W, and I'm going to take the Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques and just buff that in right up against the shadow that we've just laid. Lovely. Now I'm going to take the Bdellium Tools 780 pencil brush, go into the purple on the back of my hand that I've created, and I'm going to start drawing out a good old shape, because we love shapes on this channel. Lovely, look at that. That went on relatively easily. I'm just gonna push some of the lines a little bit further by adding a second quart. And now my plan is to completely purple out the face apart from what's inside this shape. So I shall be right back when that's done. There we go. Now that I look like a grape, and plus a little bit of the Rugrats symbol, I'm going to add some winged liner to my eye using the Revolution Awesome Double Flick liner. Let me move this mirror here because I'm going to need it to see, and I will speed this next bit up for you. There we go, that's a lovely quick liner. Oh, she looks lovely, girl. Yeah, she does. She looks really cute, actually. Now I'm going to take my Bdellium 974 brush in the MUA Loose Setting Powder and just brush her on top of the bottom half of the face. Well, no, all of the face, really. Just to set some of that oil paint in place. Lovely, and now we can go on top using my sculpting brush. I'm gonna dip into 2 AM by Sugarpill, and I'm gonna use this to contour the face. Yeah, just push it up there, as usual. Actually, no, 2 AM's not working for me. I'm going to go into Poison Plum, which is in the middle. Oh, that's better. Just Just going to swipe it down and give these cheekbones a little lift. They don't need much, just a little pop. Oh, it looks really creepy in the monitor. But that's what I love about doing looks with shapes in, because sometimes you can look at it and you can go, ooh, that. Even though this is not a daily look. If this is a daily look, I applaud you. But for me, this is not an everyday, every situational look. And I'm just gonna... Okay, as you can see, I've gone over some of the triangle on this side. So I'm taking the Bdellium 937 on the 1W. In the 1W, not on the 1W. That would be a bit strange. And I'm just gonna cut that back out. There we go, blend it out. That's better. Goodness me. And I'll do it on the other side as well, where we've lost some of the definition. There you go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And now that we've got that cute bit of sculpting, I might as well just brush it across the forehead a little bit. Just bring that in. Just a tad, darling, just a tad. And then I am going to pop some highlight down the centre of the nose, because that's still here. Oh, I might actually grab some contour. If I can open it. The Beautiful Kat Von D shades down here, bloop, 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 on the Contour Fan Brush by Real Techniques. Just a light nose contour. Just to snatch it, just a little bit. And if you ever feel like you've gone a little bit too heavy with that, you can just go into some setting powder. I'm going to take the MUA loose as per usual and just buff it over the top. Just blending it in. It just takes a little bit of the harshness out of it. Yes, I'm going to take the Bdellium 785. Should really learn my numbers on my brushes. Go down the sleek makeup highlighters here, tap off, brush down the middle of the nose, the lovely bridge, shiny, beautiful, under the brow for a little pop, because we love a little pop on this channel. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash in blackest black, and I am going to douse this on my eyelashes, including the bottom ones, of course. Lovely. Taking the Duo Glue, bam, Eyelure Tweezers, bam, and my Little Mix On Duty Lashes. Pop them on the top and I'll be right back. I love these lashes so much. Now, for the moment I've been waiting for, me at least, I'm going to be going in with the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour in Atomized by MAC Cosmetics. I'm just going to swipe this all over the lips. Let me just get a little bit closer for you. Ooh. Already I'm in love. I'm sorry, but hello. This lipstick is gorgeous. Right. The Revolution Hyaluronic Fix, as per usual. Dripping. Ooh, this is lovely. I'm going to throw on a wig, throw on a little outfit, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished look. I've put on a nice braided hair because I loved what the orange one looked like. So I just bought a new one that's longer, that's in a lovely lilac shade. It looks great, absolutely lovely. And I've put on this little number. It's just a cute little flowy dress. It's got some chiffon, as you can see. It's very flowy, very lovely. As for the makeup, I think it turned out wonderfully, don't you? This subtle fade on the eye is beautiful. This eyebrow, even though she's a little bit down, the eyebrows turned out really nicely. This bit of lace over here just keeps lifting. I'm so sorry. I'm going to keep touching it because I'm angry that it's not glued down. Ugh, whatever. The face paint itself with the iMagic 12 colour palette looks great as always, and the MAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour in Atomized is now one of my favourites. Look how beautiful that shade is. It is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. So that's it for today, my darlings. If you liked the content, please give it a little like down below, a little thumbs up. It helps out the channel. Leave a comment down below suggesting which colour I should do next, or any ideas that you have for videos that you want to see on this channel. Also hit subscribe, become part of the house. It's a lovely place to be, and if you haven't already checked out the rest of the Primary and Beyond series, I'm going to have a link up in the cards up above. Share this video, get it around, show them how beautiful an entirely purple look can be, how much of a woman this hair makes me look like, and how snatched this face really is. As always, my dears, stay safe and stay tuned.